here we have to show that how sunlight is very important for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so here what we will do, first of all, in this condition we will take a green, first of all we will take a pot. Okay, and here what will be there, there will be a plant. Okay, let's make a plant there, and what we will do, we will keep this plant away from the sunlight. Okay, we will keep it away from the sunlight, means there is no sunlight, there is no sunlight. Okay, for how many days? Just for one day. Okay, just for one day. Okay, and what we will do, when we will put it, then we will cover one of the leaf with black paper. We will cover one of the leaf with black paper, means on this leaf there is no sunlight. Okay, this we will cover with black paper. Then again we will put this pot again in sunlight. Now we will put it again sunlight for how many hours? Just for 8 hours. Okay, same plant we are going to put it here also. Okay, same plant. First that plant, this plant was kept away from the sun just for one day. Now it has been kept away, means in the sun, for 8 hours. Okay, and similarly here also the same, one leaf is totally covered. Okay, means on this leaf there is no sunlight, there is no sunlight. Okay, so now let's see what will happen. Again what we will do, we will do the process of bleaching. Again we will take this leaf, okay, this covered leaf, and then we will do the process of bleaching. Bleaching means what? Bleaching means again we will boil it, we will boil the leaf, and again first of all we will boil it in water, and then again we will boil it in alcohol, okay. Now this is the process of bleaching. After doing this, what we will do, we will put again iodine. Okay, we will do again iodine test. Okay, after turning it, when we will put iodine on it, what will happen, we will observe that, see, this is what we will get. We will observe that the leaf do not turn blue black with iodine because it could not prepare food in the absence of sunlight. Okay, see here, this was covered area, this area was totally covered. So what happened, in this color, the color has not been changed into blue and black. ये वाला जो पोर्शन है वो ब्लू ब्लैक में चेंज हो गया जहाँ पे सनलाइट आया, पर यहाँ पे सनलाइट नहीं आया. दैट्स वाई हियर इज नो प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस, लाइट नीडेड फोटोसिंथेसिस. तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने क्या किया, यहाँ पे लाइट दिया ही नहीं, इसीलिए यहाँ पे फूड प्रिपेयर नहीं हुआ. नो फूड मीन्स नो फोटोसिंथेसिस, नो फोटोसिंथेसिस. Okay, but here what happened, it was totally exposed in the sun, this was in the sun, and here it converted into blue and black. That means it has starch. Okay, अगर कन्वर्ट हो जाता है ब्लू एंड ब्लैक में, अभी हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा, अगर वो ब्लू ब्लैक में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है मीन्स कि उसमें क्या प्रेजेंट है, स्टार्च प्रेजेंट है. Okay, so now what we have done, the area, this we have covered, so we know that starch is necessary, so we should also know that sunlight is also necessary. यहाँ पे क्या किया, सनलाइट दिया ही नहीं, तो क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे फोटोसिंथेसिस हुआ ही नहीं, फोटोसिंथेसिस हुआ नहीं तो फूड क्या हुआ, फूड नहीं बना, इसीलिए देयर इज नो स्टार्च, इसीलिए कलर नहीं चेंज हुआ. सो नाउ लेट अस सी द लास्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट showing that how chlorophyll is essential, means chlorophyll is very essential for the process of photosynthesis. So for this what we will take the leaf of keolis leaf. Okay, keolis leaf, this kind of leaf is known as keolis leaf, where some of the part is red and other part is green. Okay, so what do we know, we know that only green part will do photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis. Okay, why? Because in this leaf, when we see this leaf, then only here will be the chlorophylls. here will be the chlorophylls. At this red area there will be no chlorophyll, no chlorophyll, no chlorophyll, no chlorophyll, no chlorophyll. Okay, no chlorophyll. Only in the green pigment, we know that the green pigment is known as chlorophyll, the green pigment. So this is only green color. So what will happen? Photosynthesis will only take at this green section. Okay, so that only we are going to check. So what we will do, we will again take a leaf, same leaf we have taken. Okay, we have taken that this leaf. Okay, and in this leaf what is happening, only side area, only this portion is green. Okay, because here is only chlorophyll. Okay, so we have done. Now what will happen? Now again we will do the bleaching of the leaf. Again bleaching will be done. Bleaching means what? First boiling, boiling the leaf, and then boiling the leaf in water, and then boiling in alcohol. Okay, so we have done the process of bleaching. After bleaching, what we will do, we will again put the iodine. We will again put what? We will put iodine, iodine solution. Okay, and this solution is of which color? Yellow color, yellow brown color. So when we will put this solution on the leaf, then what will happen? The leaf will be converted into blue black color. ठीक है, not a whole part will be not converted, only few of the part will be converted. Means what are the part that will get converted? So just see, like this is the leaf. So what will happen? Only this part will be in blue and black color. Why? Because only this part had what? Chlorophyll. तो जहाँ पे chlorophyll होगा वहीं पे क्या होगा? वो blue और black होगा. ठीक है, blue and black. And these portions were red, these portions were red. So here there was no chlorophyll. That's why only in the process of photosynthesis only this part took place. Okay, chlorophyll was only there, so in the photosynthesis only this part took place. सिर्फ यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? हमारा फूड बना, यहाँ पे फूड नहीं बना. वाई? बिकॉज इट डू नॉट हैज क्लोरोफिल. वो एरिया जहाँ पे क्लोरोफिल होगा वहीं पे क्या होगा? फोटोसिंथेसिस का प्रोसेस होगा. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द 3 एक्टिविटीज, ओके, बाय विच वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड और बाय विच वी कैन चेक दैट हाउ starch is present in leaf, how photosynthesis, for the process of photosynthesis sunlight is important, and chlorophyll is also very very important. Okay, so I hope this concept was clear to you. Please all of you stay safe. Thank you very much.